Thank you for this fire alarm. So, this fire alarm is going to go off. I'm going to set it up for you guys, okay? Here it goes. Listen, Dale, this is the only fire alarm that's been... Oh, it's too loud.
What tone is that?
That's Bill. And that's understanding what that.
Hey Harry, what kind of fire alarm is that?
NT 245678
Who makes it?
Wheel. I'm going to read it on the bottom. I'm going to see. Wheelocker. That's who makes it.
Alright.
Wheelocker.
You gonna show us your parts? What's your pull station?
It's a 3285 switch. Alarm set off cadet. So turn it on. Oh yeah, pull the pull station. And now this is another tone. We're gonna see. I don't know what it is. Here it goes. I'm gonna laugh at this one. Bang. It's continuous! That's really loud!
Oh, that's even louder.
Different.
So Harry, what do you say to whoever dropped this off?
Thank you, Jim, for the fire alarm. And I know. You have to close the box. Try it again. We're going to try again. 3. Come on, it's down. Put this one up. 3, 2, 1, go. Fire alarm. And this tone is march time. We march on this one. Like the song we march in my car. On across your town country. Van country. The town country, van country.
Okay, can you say goodbye?
I'm still doing the fire alarm system.
Oh.
So.
Well, I'm getting ready to turn off the camera. So say goodbye.
We're going to do a lot.
Okay, Harry.
I'm almost done. I'm almost. There's 2 ones left.
Which one's that?
Siren. I know this one. You'll take me on the video, okay?
Okay. You tell me when you're done.
Okay, I'll tell you. There's 2 left. See, I didn't get those 2. We're going to pull a pull station. I don't know what this one is. We're going to check out. Siren! Flashing everywhere. Oh, it's flashing on the camera. Look at the camera. I have to pull up the pushes. 1 left. I'm almost done. I got this from Jim. My favorite guy, Jim. I got it from Jim. I'll pull it again. Try. For 3, 2, 1, go. Let me see it on the camera.
What is that tone?
High-low.
It's a high-low tone? Okay. All right, now.
Bye.